In today's environment, staying ahead of your competition isn't your only worry. You also need to stay ahead of hackers, viruses, and other cybersecurity threats. Your network infrastructure is the main fortress protecting your company's data from being exposed. Do you have the right measures in place to protect your network? Join us for Big University 2019, Central Pennsylvania's premier cybersecurity and IT conference. This year, we're including 5 industry-specific breakout sessions. You'll learn about the latest cybersecurity threats facing your business and what can be done about them. Gain practical insights on improving your IT security and protecting your company from a costly data breach. Hear from keynote speaker Brian Krebs, an investigative reporter known for his coverage of cybersecurity. Protect your company's network for the future. Register today to reserve your seat at Big University 2019.